Hello everyone, it's Esosa here. You are welcome to my channel. So today guys, we are making carrot banana smoothie. And so the ingredients for this recipe are carrots. Carrots contains vitamin A, which is good for clear vision, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do guys is to sieve the carrot, okay? Separate the pulp from the juice. Just so you know, banana contains potassium and they are high in fiber. Add vanilla ice cream. Add the carrot juice. Blend everything together. So just so you know, this drink can last up to 3 days in the fridge. You could drink it immediately or perhaps store into the fridge. Banana carrot smoothie is ready. Enjoy! So your kids can have this drink, adults can take it, okay? It tastes absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow my page. Thank you. Bye.